Hello everyone, welcome to Definite Solution. Today I am going to show you how to disable Copilot from startup in Windows 10. So let's get started. First, right click on the taskbar, then click on Task Manager. Now go to Startup tab. This tab will show you list of apps, and from this point you can disable or enable any app from startup. Now you need to look for Copilot in the list of applications. Then click on it to select and then click on disable located at the bottom right corner. This will prevent Copilot from launching at a startup automatically. After clicking on disable, now you can close the task manager. Now Copilot will no longer turn on whenever you turn on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.